Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the Android phone. First we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. So let's open the app. In the application you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon and you should see the device page for your Xiaomi Smart Band 7. On this page, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see the Unpair button. Tap on it, then tap on Continue. And the smart band should disappear from the device page, as you can see, and also it will reset itself to the factory default settings. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you unpair this smart band from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.